Suyu bukki may. Suñu la katong wala ko mo suyu bukki mo. La porta ka ni ko sinta mo niya ni wala ko. Porta ka ni ko ni sinta mo to meta suyu bukki. Sai suka ka ba sila? Porta ka ni ko nambak. Kung tiyasan ko, kung man ko tiyasan, mas hindi ko okay ba? Mas hindi ko menos suyu mo. Mas insulto doon. Doon.
Yung amos.
Kiri-kiri, sing nada ko sing ko. Atau menuju gitu kan dulu saya kenal. Dulu malam ada kita. Berapa kita? Tiga bunga kata bot. Tiga bunga kata bot. Tiga bunga kata bot. Anu mau tuh, tulen kita bertemu mama. Dulu, kita mau terus saja. Kita turun pintu.
Mau
But here we go. International rugby at Twickenham. It's Fiji against the Barbarians. First tackle made by Tendai Tawarira. The Beast. Each for level. Argentina. Yet to be represented. Off goes Lamani again. Fiji through. Burarica for the corner. Wow.
Well, if he's got that down, that was an incredible try. Old-fashioned outside break and then pace.
The challenge on Kerwin Bosch. Checks. Very promising. And Ryan tinkling for great things before the match. Osborne off his wing. Limani. Chance now. Beautiful pass. Out. And it's Burarica again. Waningolo for the line. Akazuli Mapimpi back for the Barbarians. Now Fiji with a penalty advantage. Lamani waits. They can have a free play here. They hit the blind side. Waningolo again, just a metre short. It's another penalty advantage to Fiji. Louis Best goes in. Kerwin Bosch orders him out the way. Havili long to Mapimpi. The dazzling footwork of Mapimpi, but excellent tackle by Waningolo. Barbarians over the try line, and Mathieu Bastao stretches and quickly taken. Off they come through Eleli Malele. Osborne again spins infield. Fires at Lamani, who's about 3 meters back, but it works. Again, the front rowers. This is Vere Malua with a photo. Good speed from the hooker. The second row, Sekeli Nambo waits. Has a look. It's perhaps on for Malele if he can reach. He's dropped the ball, has he? Or has the try been awarded? Eleli Malele. Still going. Waningolo is still available. The arrival of Teti Tela. What a breakout by Fiji. Joe Powell feeds the scrum. Number 8, Josh Strauss. Powell feeds the powerful Andre Hesperhaven, and nobody can stop him. Take through it. Patrick Osborne is on hand. Good tackle by Dylan Laves. try in his first games for the Barbarians.
See what happens when you go.
Second row, Manua. He goes Patrick Osborne. Power against David Halili. Osborne won that little contest. Here we go. Costa Rica, second row. Temu Mayana Manua. Legs off his wing, the South African winner, clear. Last man beaten, there is support from Fermat, who cuts in. So brilliant tackle by Costa Rica.
Jonathan won it as well.
And they won it illegally though. Oh, it's easier to score there.
They did.
Esther Hazel stretches, did he make the line? Comes inside, Cottrell, delicious pass out of the tackle to Takoya Tuma. Here goes Johnny Dyer, and just makes it. Oh, what a second half! Surprise on. In front of the post, that close. Morning stay, Andre Westhuizen, one more pass, Mapimpi is over again. Spain again. Andre taking down. It's a lovely offload to David Havili, and another one by him to Dylan Lates. Back to Havili, and it is going to be a flourish. And Morley Spain grabs a real
We're in drop goal territory.
day. He's on. Then Kanteze Maafu. Havili. Oh, Andre Esterhuizen knocks it on. Fiji just want to get rid of this. That's great work by Angus Cottrell to try and get the ball back at Fiji. They're quite happy to play on. No, they're not. Patrick Osborne. It means that much to Fiji. It's a fun game, but they are.
Also.